Hello students, welcome on my video. In previous lecture, we discussed short sum by the method of Carl Pearson, and I hope you all are understood. Okay, so now we are going on a new method, Spearman rank correlation method. So in this method, we find the R by the method of Spear rank correlation. Okay, so in this method, first of all, we have two types. First one is when observations are not repeated, and second one is when observations are repeated. So in this lecture, first one we discuss about when the observations are not repeated. So for this method, we have one formula: R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square upon n multiplied by n square minus 1. Here, what is the sigma d? So d is equal to Rx minus Ry. So what is the Rx and what is the Ry? So Rx means rank of variable x and Ry means rank of variable y. So how to give the rank of variable x and variable y? So जो भी हाईएस्ट नंबर है स्टूडेंट्स वेरिएबल x में जो भी हाईएस्ट नंबर है उसको हम लोग क्या कौन सा रैंक अलोकेट करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स 1, देन सेकंड हाईएस्ट नंबर को 2, थर्ड हाईएस्ट नंबर को 3, सेम एज इन we do the in variable y. Clear? So please note down this formula in your notebook and let me understood by first sum of the Spearman rank correlation method when observations are not repeated. So question number 1, find the similarity the decisions of the two judges from the rank correlation coefficient. Then now we have the information from the judge, rank for x, rank for y. So from the different judge gives different rank. So here directly he given rank for x, that means this column is also denoted by Rx, and rank for y, so its column is also denoted by Ry. So on the basis of these two column we easily find out the D column. So what is the D column? So Rx minus Ry. Okay students, so here already given rank for y, that means Ry, and rank for x, that means Rx. So how to find D? So D is equal to Rx minus Ry. 2 minus 4, that means minus 2. 3 minus 1, that means 2. 1 minus 2, that means minus 1. 5 minus 3, that means 2. 4 minus 5, that means minus 1. Okay, on the basis of this column we easily find out the d square column. So 2 square is equal to 2 whole square is equal to 4, 2 also 4, minus 1 1, 2 whole square is equal to 4, and minus 1 whole square is equal to also 1. So after addition of this column we find the answer of sigma d is equal to 4 plus 4 8, 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 1 14. Okay students, so now we put the value in this formula. So R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square, that means 14, upon n. So number of observations 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 in bracket n square, that means 5 whole square, so 25 minus 1. So R is equal to 1 minus 6 multiplied by 14, that means 84 upon 5 into 24. So 1 minus, directly we do the simplified form. So 84 upon 5 multiplied by 24, that means our answer is 0.7. Okay, then now our answer of R is equal to 0.3, that means our answer is between minus 1 to plus 1. So our answer is right. So students, are you get it how to find R by the method of Spearman rank correlation? First of all we find the column of D is equal to Rx minus Ry. Then we find the D square column on the basis of D column. Then this value is put in this formula, and after doing simplified form we get answer of R is equal to 0.3. Okay students, so please note down this sum in your notebook. Students, another sum of the Spearman rank correlation method. Question number 2. Find the rank correlation coefficient between X and Y. So here we given the information about roll number 1 to 8, then given marks of statistics subject and accounts subject. So here we denoted statistics subject is equal to X variable and accounts subject is denoted by Y variable. Okay, so in this sum we haven't the value of directly Rx and Ry similar to प्रीवियस सम में हमारा क्या था स्टूडेंट्स, डायरेक्टली हमें रैंक दे दिया था, बट इन दिस सम वी हैवंट द वैल्यू ऑफ आर एक्स एंड आर वाई. सो लेट वी फाइंड द फर्स्ट ऑफ टू कॉलम्स आर एक्स एंड आर वाई. ओके, सो हाउ टू फाइंड आर एक्स एंड आर वाई कॉलम. सो अब हमें रैंक प्रोवाइड करने हैं स्टूडेंट्स. जो मैक्सिमम नंबर से उसको हम लोग कौन सा रैंक देंगे, फर्स्ट रैंक. ओके, सो फ्रॉम द वेरिएबल वाई मैक्सिमम नंबर इज 98. So here we given the rank to 98 is first. Then second highest number is 90. So here we denoted by 2. Then third highest 82. So here we put the 3. Then next highest is 78. So here we put 4. Then next highest is 75, so fifth number. Then next highest is 62, so sixth number. Next highest 36, so here we put 7, and last one highest is 8. So here we provide the rank for the statistics marks. Okay students, I hope you all are understood how to give rank for variable X, and similarly we find the Ry column from the variable Y. So in this variable Y highest number is 91, so here we put the 1. Then next highest is 86, so here we also put 2. Then next highest is 84, so here we put 3. Then next highest is 68, so here we put 4. Then next highest 62, so here we put 5. Next one highest is 60, so here we put 6. Next one is 55, so 7, and last one is highest is 51, so here we denoted 8. Okay students, I hope you all are understood how to give rank for variable X and variable Y. So on the basis of this information we can easily find out the D column. So D is equal to Rx minus Ry. So let me find this column. So 4 minus 3, that means 1. 7 minus 8, that means minus 1. 1 minus 1, that means 0. 8 minus 6, that means 2. 5 minus 4, that means 1. 3 minus 5, that means minus 2. 2 minus 2, that means 0. 6 minus 7, that means plus 1. Okay students, so on the basis of this column we can easily find out the D square column. So how to find D square column? So 1 whole square is 1, minus 1 whole square is also 1, 0, 0, 2 whole square is equal to 4, 1 whole square is equal to 1, minus 2 whole square is 4, 0 whole square is 0, minus 1 whole square is 1. So now we do addition of this column. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 1, that means our total sigma D square is equal to 12. So now we put this value in this our formula. So R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma D square is 12 upon what is our N. So roll number 1 to 8, that means our n is equal to 8. Then n square, that means 8 whole square, that means 64 minus 1. So r is equal to 1 minus 72 upon 64 minus 1 multiply by 8, that means our answer is 504. Then after division, r is equal to 1 minus 72 divided by 504, that means our answer is 0.1429. so our final answer of r is equal to 0.86. all students get it how to find r value. So his answer is also between -1 to +1. Okay students, so please note down this sum in your notebook, and I hope you all are understood students how to find the value of r by the method of Spearman rank correlation मेथड. सो ये जो आज हमने 2 सम्स किए वो क्या थे स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन ऑब्जर्वेशंस आर नॉट रिपीटेड, एंड आई होप यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टूड. एंड इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस व्हेन ऑब्जर्वेशंस आर रिपीटेड. सो एट दैट टाइम व्हाट वी डू, सो इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.